set sail with cheap wood, so I patched up every leak that I could, till the blame grew too heavy. Stitch by stitch I tear apart. If brokenness is a form of art, I must be a poster child prodigy. Thread by thread I come apart. If brokenness is a work of art, surely this must be my masterpiece. I'm only honest when it rains. If I time it right, the thunder breaks when I open my mouth. I wanna tell you, but I don't know how. I'm only honest when it rains. An open book with a torn out page and my ink's run out. I wanna love you, but I don't know how. I don't know how. No, I don't know how. I don't know how. I wanna love you, but I don't know how. I don't know how. I wanna love you, but I don't know how. I wanna love you, but I don't know how. I wanna love you. Pitch black, pale blue, these wild oceans shake what's left of me loose, just to hear me cry mercy. A strong wind at my back, so I'll lift up the only sail that I had, this tired white flag. I'm only honest when it rains. If I time it right, the thunder breaks when I open my mouth. I wanna tell you, but I don't know how. I'm only honest when it rains. An open book with a torn out page and my ink's run out. I wanna love you, but I don't know how. Know how. I'm only honest when it rains. Time it right. I know it breaks when I open my mouth. I wanna tell you, but I don't know how. Know how. I'm only honest when it rains. An open book with a torn out page and my ink's run out. I wanna love you, but I don't know how. I don't know how. I don't know how. I don't know how. I wanna love you, but I don't know how. I don't know how. I wanna love you, but I don't know how. I wanna love you, but I don't know how. I wanna love you.
You living for likes, I'm grinding for lavish, up in my status, escaping the madness like a hood kid on campus.